talk about anti-aging cream by Vedascure. Vedascure manufactured this anti-aging cream in a complete natural and herbal way. It has incorporated all the natural ingredients in it. It contains the various ingredients like organic aloe vera. It helps to reduce the signs of aging, like it prevents the fine lines and wrinkles that appears on the face. It has other key ingredients like shea butter. Shea butter is the best anti-aging agent that stimulates the production of collagen and brings out the youthful and the glowy skin of the person. It has orange peel extract. Orange peel has an abundant amount of vitamin C in it and it helps to prevent your skin from getting too oily or too dry. It keeps your skin in the moderate condition. It has vitamin C acetate that helps in maintaining the regeneration of the skin cells, and it can lighten the brown spots and the scars that are present on the skin due to acne or pimples or other sort of things that develop on the skin. And it also has jojoba oil. Jojoba oil has an anti-inflammatory properties that reduces the inflammation of the skin, and it prevents chafing and chapping and reduces the redness that develops on the face and keep the skin calm and comfortable. It also has coconut oil. Coconut oil is well known to nourish your skin naturally. It also contains retinol. Retinol is the key ingredient that helps to prevent wrinkles, and it minimizes the effect of aging, and it also reduces the existing fine lines and wrinkles that are present on the face, and it gives you a brighter and a smooth skin. The key benefits after you use this Veda's Cure anti-aging cream: it reduces the premature aging of the skin, and it boosts the collagen production of your skin, and it increases the elasticity in your skin. It gives your skin a complete hydration and moisturization. It improves your skin tone to a further level, like it improves your skin tone to 1 to 2 tones, and it keeps your skin soft and glowy. It reduces the wrinkles and damages caused by the sun, and it reduces the sun damage caused by the excessive sun exposure. To use this Vedas Cure anti-aging cream, you need to wash your face completely, and there should be no dust or pollution on your face. Wash it clean with normal water, and take the dime size of the cream and apply it on the face, all over your face, and must use your fingers, 3 to 4 fingers, and massage it in an upward circular motion, and give a full massage to your skin, and follow this regularly to get the better results. And do not apply anti-aging cream on your eyelids.